Hello. Exercise 5th. Fill in the blank with appropriate modals. You should take exercise daily. You should take exercise daily. You must keep your promise. You must keep your promise. We dash not to walk on the grass, ought not take heed lest you should fail. Do you think she will apologize? Do you think she will apologize? I dash like to see that book. I would like to see that book. We dash love our neighbor. We should love our neighbor. You dash come to school in time. You should come to school in time. You dash see a doctor at once. You must see a doctor at once. I dash come if it rains. I won't come. I won't come आऊगा भाई. wouldn't कह लो won't. I won't come if it rains. I dash नहीं sorry dash you wet 100 rupees bill you wet 100 rupees. Second है the police dash find out the culprit will find out the culprit. A judge dash be upright must be upright. Student dash to maintain discipline. Student out to maintain discipline. India dash not win this match. India cannot win this match. The girl may or may not dance. Dash you please stop talking. Bill you please stop talking. You dash go home whenever you may go home whenever you like. It dash rain. It is so sultry. It might rain. It might rain. One should always be kind to others. One should always be kind to others. If you have a ticket, you may go inside. Your father is sleeping you should not speak loudly. I shall visit my sister tomorrow. हाँ जी गीता will you help me with money ਇੱਥੇ ਆਊਗਾ will you help me with money, how much do you need, I can do with just 200 rupees. Okay, will it be fine if I give you a check, can I get it, can आ जाऊगा तो can I get it in cash today. Why not, what you should go to the bank soon as it is already 12:30. The bank will close at 1 p.m. today. Please write the check at once. I'll rush to the bank just now. Exercise 9th. He said that it might be true. He ਇੱਥੇ ਦੇਖੋ ਮਾਈਟ ਕਿਉਂ ਆਇਆ ਬਈ ਇਹ ਸੈੱਡ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਮੇ ਦਾ ਮਾਈਟ ਪਾਸਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੀ ਡੈਸ਼ ਐਂਟਰ ਦਾ ਕਾਲਜ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਈਅਰ ਵੁੱਡ he would enter the college next year. Sita dash win first can Sita can win the first prize in English. Dash you live long to enjoy it. May you live long. I can speak English. 6th है भाई even as a child she could sing well. She could sing well. Dash you come to the meeting tomorrow. Bill you come to the meeting tomorrow. We should not tell lies.